Hey everybody, it's Mr. Carr again. Today we're going to be looking at 3.1 day 2. It's going to be more triangle properties here. So the biggest thing here is, well, not biggest thing. So first thing I want to talk about is the idea that we are going to be describing things as interior or exterior angles. So when I look at this right here, in a triangle, the interior angles are right here. They're the inside of the triangle. The exterior angles are made by taking one side and extending it out. So if I just kind of trace my along one of the triangle sides and I just keep going, this creates an exterior angle out here. Okay. So again, so what that now we have that down. Let's talk about our first theorem, which is the triangle sum theorem. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. This is one we already used so far, but we want to make sure it's clear. So that means if we have any triangle, we have our three angles. They always are supposed to add up to 180 degrees. So let's use that fact here. Find the measure of our interior angles. So based on the algebra expressions I have, then I know that 8x plus 5 plus 5x minus 1 plus 4x plus 6 equals 180. From there, combine like terms. So 8, 5, and 4 is going to come out to 17x. 5, -1, and 6 is going to be a positive 10, and that equals to 180. So I could subtract 10 over. 17x equals 170, and then I divide by 17. So I get x equals 10. So it says find the measure of each interior angle. So that's going to be 8 times 10 plus 5, which is 80 plus 5, giving me 85 degrees there. 5 times 10 minus 1, which is 50 minus 1, is going to give me 49 degrees. And finally, 4 times 10 plus 6 is 40, plus 6 is 46 degrees. Okay. Our next theorem is called the exterior angle theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two opposite interior angles. So when I say opposite, I like to think of it this way. These are the non-adjacent interior angles. So remember, adjacent angles, like if this is my exterior angle here with the 120, x is adjacent to it. It shares this side right here. So my non-adjacent angles would be 50 and 70. And that's why 120 degrees here is equal to 50 plus 70. Okay. So we can use that fact with our next example. Find the measure of angle DCB here. My exterior angle is 3x minus 9. My two non-adjacent angles are x and 73. So 3x minus 9 is equal to x plus 73. Exterior angle, two non-adjacent angles. Now it's just normal algebra problems at this point. So I could subtract x to both sides, and I could add 9 to both sides. That's gone, that's gone. I get 2x on the left side, 82 on the right. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 41. So I want to find the measure of angle DCB here, which is my exterior angle. There's DCB. So that's equal to 3 times 41 minus 9. Okay, so that's, what was that, 123, I believe. 3 times 41 minus 9 comes out to 114 degrees in the end. Okay. One last example for this one. There's more of that exterior angle theorem. My exterior angle is 3x plus 16. So 3x plus 16 equals the sum of the two non-adjacent. So it equals x plus 52 here. Okay, sorry about that. So now that we have this, we have the exterior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent. Just do our normal algebra steps. So I'll subtract x and subtract 16. So that's gone and that's gone. I get 2x here is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 18. So we want to find the measure of the exterior angle, which in this case is the measure of angle DCB again. So it's going to be 3 times 18 plus 16. Okay, so we got, yeah. So times 3 plus 16. So the measure of angle DCB is equal to Oh, 1 second. That doesn't seem quite right. 3 times 18 plus 16. Oh, 70 degrees. Okay. Yeah, not drawing a scale, but that's fine. So it equals 70 degrees. And that is it for this case here. Or wait. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. I totally missed that part. This was supposed to be get rid of all of this. Okay. Totally missed this part, that it was a 2x here, not an x. Very different. Subtract 2x, subtract 16. So that goes away, that goes away. So I get x equals 36, not x equals 18. So I forgot about that extra 2x there. So that means the measure of angle DCB is going to be 3 times 36 plus 16. So I do that. That's 3 times 36 plus 16. And that comes out to 124 degrees. That's a little bit better. All right. So that is it for our interior and exterior angle theorems. Remember, interior angles, they add up to 180 degrees. Exterior angles are always going to be the sum of the two non-adjacent or opposite interior angles. But that is it for today. Take care, everyone.